Get to know Boeing 767 specifications regarding the seating capacity and the engine variants in the latest video. The Boeing 767-200 can be equipped with several types of engines, depending on the specific configuration chosen by the airline. Here are the primary engines used on the Boeing 767-200. 1. General Electric CF6-80A. Type: high bypass turbofan. Thrust: approximately 50,000 to 52,000 pounds. 22,680 to 23,587 kilograms. Features: the CF6-80A is known for its reliability and efficiency, providing the 767-200 with the capability for long-haul flights while maintaining good fuel efficiency. 2. Pratt Whitney PW4000-94A. Type: high bypass turbofan. Thrust: approximately 50,000 to 52,000 pounds. 22,680 to 23,587 kilograms. Features: the PW4000-94A offers high thrust and fuel efficiency, and it's designed to meet the demands of modern commercial aviation with good performance across a range of operating conditions. 3. Rolls-Royce RB211-524D4. Type: high bypass turbofan. Thrust: approximately 48,000 to 52,000 pounds. 21,772 to 23,587 kilograms. Features: the RB211-524D4 engine is known for its advanced technology and durability, providing reliable performance for the 767-200's long-haul operations. These engines are part of the 767-200's propulsion options, allowing airlines to select engines that best match their operational needs and preferences. Each engine offers specific benefits in terms of fuel efficiency, thrust, and maintenance. For the Boeing 767-200, the engine's thrust is typically measured in pounds of thrust, but here's a conversion to kilonewtons, kN, for each engine option. 1. General Electric CF6-80A. Thrust: approximately 50,000 to 52,000 pounds. Thrust in kN: about 222 to 231 knots. 2. Pratt Whitney PW4000-94A. Thrust: approximately 50,000 to 52,000 pounds. Thrust in kN: about 222 to 231 knots. 3. Rolls-Royce RB211-524D4. Thrust: approximately 48,000 to 52,000 pounds. Thrust in kN: about 214 to 231 knots. The exact thrust values can vary based on the specific configuration and operational requirements of the aircraft, but these figures provide a general range for the engines used on the Boeing 767-200. The seating capacity of the Boeing 767 varies depending on the specific variant and configuration. Boeing 767-200. Typical two-class configuration: approximately 181 to 224 passengers. Typical three-class configuration: approximately 181 passengers. Boeing 767-300. Typical two-class configuration: approximately 218 to 269 passengers. Typical three-class configuration: approximately 210 to 218 passengers. Boeing 767-300ER, extended range. Typical two-class configuration: approximately 218 to 269 passengers. Typical three-class configuration: approximately 218 to 261 passengers. Boeing 767-400ER, extended range. Typical two-class configuration: approximately 245 to 304 passengers. Typical three-class configuration: approximately 296 passengers. The exact seating capacity can vary based on airline-specific configurations and choices between more premium seating versus economy seating. In a single-class configuration, the Boeing 767-200 can typically seat around 224 to 290 passengers. The exact number depends on the specific airline's configuration and seating arrangement choices. In a single-class configuration, the Boeing 767-300 can typically seat around 269 to 350 passengers, depending on the specific airline's seating arrangement and preferences. The exact capacity can vary based on factors like seat pitch and cabin layout. In a single-class configuration, the Boeing 767-400ER can typically seat around 304 to 375 passengers, depending on the specific seating arrangement and airline configuration. The exact number can vary based on seat pitch and overall cabin layout choices.